Did you know the home screen of the Artspira app is the starting point for all of the exciting projects you can create? First, at the very top of our screen, we can see 3 keys in blue. The first is shaped like a bell. This is your notifications key. Press it to view your in-app notifications. Next is the favorites key. It looks like a square with a heart in it. When selected, all of the projects and designs you favorited will be displayed. The third key is the machine settings key. It looks like a sewing machine and scan and cut. Here you can see your connected machines or register a new one. Underneath these 3 keys is the search bar. Use this to search for a specific design file or project in the app. Next, we have the Explore section, which includes different design categories like embroidery designs, cutting designs, and design templates. You can select any of these categories to view the designs and templates within them. Then comes the Artspira magazine section. New magazines are added weekly. Each has multiple projects, and the content is available to you for free. Use your stylus or finger to scroll through the magazines available. Press the See All key to view them with larger thumbnails. See something that catches your eye? Tap the photo to open up the magazine. In the New section, you can browse the new embroidery and cut files available to you for free on the app. Select any file to view a larger thumbnail and read detailed information on its size, stitch count, and more. The last section is the Design Recommendations section, where recommendations based on what you've hearted will appear. If you haven't hearted anything, these will be what was most recently added to the app. At the very bottom of your screen is a bar displaying the different sections of the app. The first key that looks like a house and says Home is blue because we are active in the home screen. You can select any of the other section keys like New, My Creations, or Settings to navigate to that section of the app. And know that you can always return to the home screen by selecting the Home key.